Believe it or not, our world is in the early stages of a potentially transformational technological revolution. Artificial intelligence, AI, fueled by vast generative language models out there, is predicted to upend virtually every corner of society. From business to government to consumer behavior, AI will have profound effects on how we work, live and engage with each other. This week, we bring you some AI news for relaxation. Here we go. The FBI issued a stark reminder and warning on the proliferation of cyberattacks aided by AI programs. According to the governmental body, the number of people turned deviants using AI technology as part of phishing attacks or malware development has been increasing at an alarming rate, and that the impact of their operations is only increasing. We've covered reports of how even locked-in AI models such as ChatGPT have been used to develop malware that's adept at evading even the latest security systems. Polymorphic malware, as it's known, is a piece of software that used to require a highly skilled black hat coder, or group of coders, to achieve. Now, it's been democratized towards a context window. ACT News, a growing news content channel on TikTok, has announced the debut of what it claims to be the world's first fully AI automated news edition presented by digital avatar clones. This cutting-edge approach to news broadcasting could set a new standard in journalism, but it also raises moral and ethical concerns. The introduction of AI-powered digital clones of renowned journalists, including the likeness of Israeli reporters Miri Michaeli and Amit Siegel, represents a paradigm shift in news presentation. While these digital clones will deliver live broadcasts on screen, the correspondents can work on stories in the field simultaneously. This concept aims to engage diverse audiences worldwide, especially those on social media who might not be regularly exposed to traditional news outlets. The conversational AI-powered chatbots that have come to internet search engines, such as Google's Bard and Microsoft's Bing, look increasingly set to change scientific search too. This week, Dutch publishing giant Elsevier released a ChatGPT-powered AI interface for some users of its Scopus database, while British firm Digital Science announced a closed trial of an AI large language model, LLM, assistant for its Dimensions database. Meanwhile, U.S. firm Clarivate says it's also working on bringing LLMs to its Web of Science database. There was a bit of a hubbub in February as it emerged that OpenAI had seemingly purchased i.com in order to redirect it to the ChatGPT web interface. But now erstwhile backer, Twitter heaver and ex-lover Elon Musk appears to have taken the valuable domain off their hands, or else someone has done it for him. i.com now redirects to x.ai, the billionaire's embryonic machine learning research outfit. Meta launched AudioCraft on this week, an AI tool that lets users create music and sounds from scratch with text-based inputs as part of CEO Mark Zuckerberg's bigger push into generative AI. The AI industry is abuzz with OpenAI's announcement of DALL-E 3, an advanced AI image generator. DALL-E 3's ability to create photorealistic images in diverse art styles is a major breakthrough, setting a new benchmark for AI image generation. However, the lack of safety measures during testing raises questions about potential misuse. OpenAI's initiative to watermark AI-generated content, in collaboration with other tech giants, could lead to new industry practices for AI responsibility. With Midjourney 5.2 released recently and SDXL 1.0 released open source, neither of which have watermarks, OpenAI is going to have a stiff challenge here. Chinese tech giant Alibaba Group's cloud computing unit released two open-sourced artificial intelligence (AI) models on this week in a bid to take on Meta platform. The Hangzhou-based company said it has open-sourced two large language models, LLM, a type of AI model, named Qwen7b and Qwen7b Chat this week in a press release. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Chairman Gary Gensler has announced a shift in focus from cryptocurrency to AI. Gensler, who has been vocal about the risks and challenges posed by the cryptocurrency industry, now believes that AI is the technology that warrants the hype and deserves greater attention from regulators. Gensler's interest in AI dates back to 1997 when he became intrigued by the technology after witnessing Russian chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov's infamous loss to IBM's supercomputer, Deep Blue. In-World AI has raised $50 million funding from Lightspeed Venture Partners, bringing the valuation of the maker of an AI-based character engine for games to over $500 million. That valuation makes In-World into a frontrunner when it comes to AI and games. The round includes additional investments from Stanford University, Samsung Next, and new and existing strategic investors such as Microsoft's M12 fund, First Spark Ventures co-founded by Eric Schmidt, and LG Technology Ventures. That is all we have this week from AI Breeders. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.